Hello everyone, welcome to Pipefy, the work management platform. And in this video, we will present the main benefits of using Pipefy to manage your claim request process. After working with several leading companies in their segments, we raised the main pains of this process, such as information lost during the process, difficulty in getting approvals, loss of deadlines, too many lost emails in your inbox. With Pipefy, you have control of deadlines and process SLAs, keep and consult previous claims information, automatic selection of responsible according to the claim type, prioritize requests by value, urgency or due date, and automatically send emails for the requesters. Cool? And this is your organization, where you find all your pipes that you have access to and the ones you don't have access to. And pipes is the name we give to the processes inside Pipefy. In the sidebar on the left, we also have this database that will centralize some informations of your process. We can register clients, suppliers, products, and so on. We can have the reports where you can track some KPIs and some indicators of your process. And we have the automations. The automations, they are responsible to eliminate the repetitive and manual activities in your everyday life. And I will start by showing you the claim request pipe that we made. As you can see, Pipefy uses the Kanban view that allows us to define the macro steps of your process and see where each request you've received is right now. Each card in this process represents a claim request. To create a new request here in your pipe, you need to fill out some essential information to initiate the process. This information is found in the start form. And as you can see, here are some fields that need to be filled in order to create a new requirement. This form can be found inside the Pipefy, or you are able to create a new request from outside the Pipefy using one of our public links, like this one. So here is like our public form visualization, and people outside the organization can request a claim request. So you guys can put it on your website or an email, so people can request their claims without needing to speak to you guys or so on. And right now, I'm going to create a new card and go through the phases of the process. So I filled the informations and I'm going to show you guys how our conditionals work. So here at type of claim we have property and casualty. But if I put vehicle insurance, I will add some more informations that need to be filled. So the occurred, if it's an accident, what is the plate, so I can put a random plate, and the date and time that the event occurred. So I'm just create a new card. And as I said before, each card will represent a claim request. When you open a card, as you can see, it's divided in two parts. The left part shows you the information of your start form and the history of the card. That is updates as the card go through the phases. And on the right side, you will see the tasks and fields that are necessary in this current step of the process. In this case, you need to define the responsible for the request. We already have a claim ID for tracking purposes. We can fill the client's information. So we have address, social security number, the marital status, age, and if we put is vehicle insurance, we can find the vehicle info, so type, brand, model, year, the color, and the informations of the occurred. So we have to fill all this information, attach an investigation report, a due date, then we can move on to the policy review phase. I will show you guys one feature of Pipefy there is the email template. So every time a card is created on claim investigation, we can automatically send an email to the requester, as I will show you guys now. And this is our first email template. So we have the name of the requester, we have some informations, we can put a SLA already on the template. So just to show you guys how can we automatically do this email sending. Cool? And coming back to our process, now I filled all the information that we need. So the vehicle information, the current information, and we attached a file, so the investigation report. We said what date the report was finished, and we have a due date to finish this request. So now we can move on to the policy review. Here in the policy review, we already see the due dates working on. So we have a late car, we have this one who is going to be late in 6 days, and here we have a simple to-do list to review the investigation report to see if it matches with our client policy, check if the client plan it's covered, the request, elaborate the dossier. So we have a few to put the main points of the dossier and to attach the dossier here at our face. We still have on the left side all the current information and the history of the card. Cool? So moving on to the client's evaluation. Here we can have the necessities that the claim needs. We can estimate an amount to put in a template or to put for approval, and to attach a final evaluation and a final report that we send to the client. And after we attached and finished all these phases, we can move to the claim approval. Here, at our claim approval phase, we can have a responsible for the approval, so we can assign manually who's the responsible, or we can automate and put automatically the responsible for the approval by claim type or by current estimate amount of the claim. And we have like a simple question: if the request is approved or not. If yes, they will go to the approved claims. If it doesn't, they will go to the not approved claims, and we have like a Y field. So the person who did not approve will just fill with why he didn't approve. Cool. And just to approve this phase, we go to the approve it complete. Cool. And we already put an email template where every time a card hits this approved claims, we will send another email template to the person like this one. And here are our email template. Hello, lead or person. We're glad to inform you that your request of vehicle insurance was approved by our team. To access the final report of your request, click here. You can attach a document, and if you have any doubts, please contact us using the support channel. Best regards. I hope you enjoyed the presentation, and if you have any questions or wish to see changes to this process, please talk to one of our consultants or contact us via our chat. I hope you guys like the process, and see you guys on the next time. Thank you.